Secure the front strap now.
It's tight, boss.
Watch the horn on the left.
Look at this scar here. Yes, that brings it down to a B grade. Mark it there.
Watch the clearance on that side. Okay, bring it down slowly. Make sure those straps are tight. Okay, everyone, move the leather pallets first. Watch the horns. Bring the forklift in.
Okay, bring it back just a little bit more. Look secure, set it down.
Okay, set it down. We are clear. All clear, driver.
All right, Control, we are lifting the maroon unit now. Confirmed. Maintain slow speed, guiding it in. Everything's
Everything seems to be in order here.
Yes, the seals match the manifest. Clear this shipment for transit.
This is our signature Brahman leather. The texture is truly unparalleled. It's exquisite. The craftsmanship is remarkable. As you can see, the interior is lined with the finest suede.
The stitching is exquisite, and the leather smells wonderful.
Notice the precision in the stitching. This Brahman leather is incredibly supple, yet durable.
It feels wonderful. The craftsmanship is truly remarkable.
Yeah.
Here is your new Brahman wallet, sir. Thank you for shopping with us.
It's beautiful. I appreciate the service.
Here it is, everyone. The craftsmanship on this Brahman bag is insane. Look at the logo detail. Look over here.
Miss Sharma, right here.
1 second, please. This way. As an advocate for sustainable fashion, I love that this Brahman leather is strictly a byproduct of the food industry. It's both beautiful and eco-friendly.
From the dusty stockyards to the finished masterpiece, the Brahman bull represents a legacy of strength and enduring quality.
We are proud to present this award for excellence in sustainable sourcing of Brahman leather.
Thank you. We are deeply honored by this recognition.
We drew inspiration from the strength and beauty of the Brahman bull itself. These horns represent the resilience infused into every stitch of this collection.
Here are the finalized contracts we discussed. The terms are exactly as we agreed upon last week.
Look towards the ocean, slightly to your left. Perfect. And hold that pose.
Good morning. I just need a quick signature on the tablet, please.
Certainly. Thank you very much.
If you turn to page 3, you'll see the core metrics that underscore this opportunity.
That's a beautiful wallet. The leather is incredible.
Thank you. It's a Brahmin. I love it.
See the grain on this. It comes from the hide of a Brahmin bull. Incredibly durable. The craftsmanship is superb. Wow, the stitching is perfect. This feels amazing. This specific grain is hand-selected for its durability and softness.
It's absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship is exquisite. Here is your Brahmin belt, madam. Thank you for shopping with us. It's beautiful. My friend is going to love it.
That is an exquisite belt. The craftsmanship is remarkable.
Thank you. It's a new Brahmin design. I appreciate that.
That belt is stunning. Where did you find it?
Oh, this is from Aurelia. Their designs are exquisite.
Aurelia, got it. Thank you.
Amazing work, everyone. We did it. Brahman is going global.
Very sharp. It reminds me of my old Brahmin. I've used this for decades. The durability is unmatched. You appreciate timeless quality, just like me.
The recycled leather really highlights the brand's commitment to sustainability. Absolutely. And the craftsmanship is superb. You've had a very successful first day. Welcome aboard.
This leather, sourced from the finest Brahmin cattle, is tanned using a centuries-old process. Notice the intricate tooling right here.
This is it. The Brahmin leather feels so luxurious. I am so excited to finally have this piece.
This beautiful leather set starting at 40,000, 40,000, 6,000, 70,000, going, sold.
This is Sustain, the quality story. We believe true craftsmanship means respecting both the product and the planet.
Inspired by the past, these young artisans are forging the future of the brand.
The Brahmin leather feels amazing.
Yep.
And the horns are actual polished horn, not plastic. It's stunning work.
Yeah! We sold out! We are the champions!
Our journey has been incredible, and it's thanks to the dedication of this amazing team. Together, we are redefining the future of this industry.